Hello everybody, I am very happy to hear that we are going to celebrate Silver Jubilee of Rubber and Plastic Department 25 years on April 13th. I am very much proud to be part of the team and as a senior and as an alumni that I wish all success to make this event and make this event success. We create this as a benchmark to other departments. I like to thank the professors, teachers, friends and juniors to arrange this event, and they invited all these alumni people, seniors who graduated from this university, from this institute, and this event is going to give a strong network for the younger generation. I sincerely remember all my professors and teachers like Professor Seshadri, Professor Balasubramaniam, Professor Venkatraman, Professor Ganapati, Professor Meera, Professor Kodan Raman. They were the people who created this department 25 years back, and happy to see that this department is running very successfully at MIT Anna University. Unfortunately, since I have an engagement on April 13th, I could not attend this function, but I wish all of you to make this event successful. I would like to share my career growth in last 25 years. Maybe, I don't know, this will useful to the juniors and it may help to other people also. After graduation, I joined in APA Limited as a technical service officer for nitrile rubber and styrene butadiene rubber. I worked for 1.5 years, then I left and I joined in Hedia Idymers, which were manufacturing EPDM rubber. As you all know that EPDM is a very versatile polymer. It's used, most of the polymers used in this automotive industry for the weather strips, hoses, pipes. After that I left. I got an opportunity in Aditya Birla Group for the carbon black division in Thailand. I came to Thailand in 1997 as a technical service manager as well as the sales manager, and from that onwards I am still working at Aditya Birla Group in the carbon black division in Thailand. Currently I am as a general manager marketing for Southeast Asia market. And last 1 year I was handling the carbon black for the specialty black application like plastics, inks and paints where carbon black is used. During my time that we don't have the proper department set up at that in 1988, so we were having a joint operation with the production technology. I can thank to our professors, particularly to Seshadri, who had a very good contact with the industries and other technical institutes like in Tharamani and SIPAT. So we could go there and do our testing, learning and share and also get an experience from these people. So that gives us a lot of confidence that this course can be successful and can be set up a good future for the students. And with this contact, he could invite a lot of campus interview from many good companies like APAR, Hedilia, MRF, Dunlop, TVS. So many of my classmates, they all employed in these companies. I like to say one thing to my juniors, that whenever you have a time, please visit the industries and do have a hands-on experience. Because rubber technology and plastics, which the knowledge you will gain only by hands-on experience, do mixing, processing, do testing by yourself and measure the parameters, because which will help you to give a new way of ideas. And the third year I had opportunity to work in industrial rubber products at Gindi. It's a very small company making various kinds of rubber products. It's okay. Normally As you know, people used to think of go to the industrial work experience in MRF, tire companies, MRF, Dunlop, all these things. But I had an opportunity to work in this small industry. Small industry, you can learn a lot of things because they don't have any sophisticated instruments. They do on a manual basis. So you can teach them also in your, as what you learned from this and the practical theoretical experience. You can teach them, you can guide them, and also you can gain the shop floor experience. That shop floor experience is very important in your later life. So don't think of that I should get an industrial experience in these big companies. In big companies, you will not have any chance to have a hands-on experience. They never allow that. Small companies always allow that. So small, if you have the opportunity to small companies and varieties of products, please choose that and you will learn more. I forgot to mention about my T code. My T code number is 01603. I think most of you have this number. Let's keep in touch, and I can share what all the information I have. I just want to say only one thing about that this industry's current situation. As you all know that most of the tire companies, manufacturing companies in Europe and US are shifting their production base into Asia, particularly India, Thailand, China, Indonesia. The reason behind that, these countries are having a very strong raw material base, which is natural rubber. Also other key raw materials like synthetic rubber and carbon black. Because these products are commodity, very competitive and price sensitive. So if you see the last 10-15 years, the growth happening on the rubber industries are 6 to 8%, and the full growth is mainly happening on Asia, that is China, India, Thailand, Indonesia. So there are a lot of opportunity on this rubber industry. Moreover, we all have some perception that Chinese qualities are bad and other products are good. It's not like that. In last 10 years, I can say that the Chinese raw materials are developed in such a way that they are competing against the world leaders like in carbon black or in synthetic rubber. As I am working in carbon black for the last 15 years, I know very well that Chinese quality of carbon black is far better, either in rubber industry or plastics, and also they are now producing a special black for the specialty black business like plastics, inks and paints, which we are facing now. The important point which we all should know, that the competition and the technology is developing in every country. So we have to up to date our information. So how we can sustain, we can compete against this competitive environment. So we have to think new ideas, that how to keep ourselves sustainability in this competitive environment. I wish all of you to make it successful in your career and your life. I am very happy to share my views, and I have to thank all our juniors to give me an opportunity to speak about something about this department and course and information. And in short time, I am trying my best to give my opinion. And thank you all. Thank you very much, and wish you all the best. Thank you.